Good morning, friends. I'm just having my morning coffee here with Chelsea on my lap. And we're going to be heading to my parents' house because we're going to be making Capicolla. So we're making basically charcuterie or dry cured meats at my parents' house the Italian way. So I'm going to show you how we do that. Oh, it's icy and it's freezing. But we're on our way to my mom's house and my mom and dad's, to make the Capicolla, or some of you may know it as gabagool. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how. These are all of them. How many did you make? So they're covered in salt. You just put lots of salt, right?
Yeah.
Any kind of salt?
I put kosher salt,
Kosher.
and then I use a tablespoon of pink salt.
Okay, kosher salt and pink
salt.
salt. Okay. So we're gonna hang them from the ceiling. It doesn't matter the temperature?
See, this is the right temperature.
January.
Okay.
But you could do it in the fridge too, right?
Yeah,
You've
in the
done-
fridge or in the cellar, because
Yeah.
the cellar, it's not going to freeze anyway.
Yeah. Just cold.
Yeah, just cold. That's what you need.
So what's in there?
Paprika, pepper,
Yeah.
and then you can put any spice. This is Provence, and this is Italian, and rosemary. So I want to
Okay.
try Provence.
Oh.
I'm going to do a couple of different ones.
Today I'm enjoying spending the day with my parents, learning an old-fashioned skill that used to be common knowledge in the past, curing capicola the traditional way. This isn't a shortcut recipe or a modern hack. It's about slowing down, working with your hands, and passing on food knowledge that once lived in kitchens, cellars, and family tables. In a world of convenience, there's something deeply grounding about preserving food the way it was done for generations, with patience, care, and community. These are traditional food skills, ancestral cooking, and reclaiming slower ways of living. This day meant so much to me. So next, my dad's just washing off all of the pieces, washing the salt off with plain water. So this is pork loin, and this is pork butt, or the neck of the pig. Right off. Now the pork is washed in wine, and that helps to prevent any bacteria, and it also adds flavor to the meat. You can use red or white wine, but this is an important step. You don't need a lot of it. You just drizzle it on top and really rub it in all the sides, the front, back, and all around. And then you'll pat off any excess. I'm really happy that I'm able to record this to pass on to my children. Okay, this is ready in 2 months.
And Capicola,
It's
3 months.
3 months because it's fatter,
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
bigger, or wider.
but when it's
Thicker.
hanging, you have
Yeah.
to go once in a while and just
Squeeze it.
yeah.
This year, my mom wanted to experiment and do something different. So she's doing one with herb de Provence in the mix, just to see if she likes that flavor profile. But normally it's just herbs like oregano, black pepper, and some paprika. You can also use chili peppers if you prefer a hotter version, but make sure it's generously coated, rub it in. Make sure you also get the ends as well. This protects the meat and coats it, but at the same time, it also is going to flavor it. So use the flavors that you enjoy. Feel free to mix it up a little bit. Don't forget to make sure you get those ends and get all the crevices. Get that seasoning in everywhere. Usually my parents do this during the week, and then once it's all done, they will give some to each of us children to have. But this year I told them, do not do it until I can be there with you, because I wanted to see how it's done. I want to learn this traditional skill. My dad's laying out some cheesecloth.
This one has one?
Yeah.
And he's going to wrap it really well with the cheesecloth. Now you can use a type of netting, which I'll put up in the corner, that is used traditionally, or you would use a type of skin that would go over it. But my dad found that using cheesecloth actually works better because it prevents molds. Now on this table, there is actually a clear plastic sheet, so it's not done on the tablecloth. Just FYI. He's putting a couple layers of cheesecloth on it, and then he's going to tie it up with butcher's twine or butcher string. I used to work in the butcher shop when I was a teenager. My dad had a butcher shop, and I could never get this technique down every time. I can never do it the way he does it.
On the bag, you have to make sure that maybe not that gap. You only have 6 there. So wait.
He's wrapping it quite tightly. Make sure it's all in good contact. Now watch, I try to get a close-up of the way how he ties it. He has this, it's a butcher tie. I don't know what to say. That's how all butchers like tie their roasts. But it's the way he does it so fast. Show me how you tie it in. Slowly. So I can see.
1, 2,
Yeah.
put underneath
Yeah. And through the hole.
in the hole,
Okay.
and don't close the hole. Just
Okay.
leave it
And just push it.
steady,
And you just push
and
the
then
knot.
you push
Okay.
knot.
And then you pull it. Okay.
Okay, now
Yeah.
it's closed.
Yeah.
Then, like this,
Yeah.
turn,
Yeah.
go pick it up the pieces,
Yeah.
and make a knot.
Okay.
That's it. Then you hang them up from here.
Yeah. Like that.
See how it works.
So before you vacuum pack it after 2 months,
You get a paper towel, you put a little bit of oil on it, and
you
just
put an
rub it.
oil on it and then we rub it. But
And vacuum pack.
and then we can vacuum pack it. My dad wanted me to try this wine. I just want a little bit. I'm on medication, so I can't really drink it, but I told him I could have a little taste. It was actually quite good. We are all done, and now my dad's just hanging up to cure. I am ever so grateful to be able to spend the day with my mom and dad today, to be able to learn this traditional skill and be the steward of this knowledge and be able to pass it on down the generations to come. Bye, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.